Hello everybody, today I'll be showing you on how to turn yourself into creative mode and survival mode by using a command block. This only works on creative mode, so be careful about that. Some people don't really know this trick, so here I am making a tutorial for the people out there who doesn't really know this trick, so let's get started. If you don't know how to get a command block, just copy what I'm typing right now, so yeah. Place the command block, click it, and you'll see a tab that will pop up. Just copy what I'm typing right now. Now you can put a pressure plate or button, anything you want, so it can be activated. This is for creative mode, so there. You can put a sign for creative mode. You don't really need to put a sign in it. Now do the same thing for survival mode. Just copy what I'm typing right now again. You can put a sign. Again, you don't really need to put a sign, so yeah. And then there you go. You can now switch in creative and survival mode very quickly. And yeah, you don't really need to type anymore, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is very helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.